Do you want to know how to make around $500 online by doing something as simple as watching TikTok videos? It's possible to earn $4 for every TikTok video you watch. That means if you watch 2 videos, you'll make $8. Keep watching, and that can grow to $16 for 4 videos. In fact, the earnings can go up to $600 or even more just by watching more and more TikTok videos. Interested in discovering how this works and how you can start earning through TikTok? Stick around for more details on how you can make money by simply watching these videos. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. To begin, head over to TikTok. Once there, navigate to the search bar and type in viral funny videos. These videos are incredibly popular, pulling in millions of views. Many of them have surpassed 10 million views, indicating a strong demand. People absolutely love watching these clips. In a moment, I'll guide you through leveraging these videos to maximize your earnings. These highly viewed, viral, funny videos present an opportunity for us to tap into their popularity and turn it into a profitable venture. Let's explore how you can make the most out of these trending videos to generate substantial earnings. Now, the following step is to simply choose one of these videos here. Let's say I select this particular one. It looks promising. Your next move is to watch the entire video to ensure it's a good fit. However, if you didn't quite like it, feel free to try another video. Stick to this method with the videos you genuinely enjoy, because if you like them, chances are others will too. Once you've watched the video, the next task is to take a screenshot from it. This screenshot will be part of the process moving forward. Alright, I'll demonstrate this using my computer, but you can easily do it on a smartphone too. Here's the screenshot I grabbed from the video. It looks pretty promising. Keep in mind, you're not restricted to just viral funny videos like the one I used as an example. This illustrates the process, but you can apply this to any kind of video. Just ensure they rack up lots of views. TikTok is flooded with countless videos, so take advantage of that variety. Remember, focus on videos that have a high demand and garner millions of views. If you're unsure about which other videos to search for, head over to Google. Look up the most trending niches on TikTok. It'll give you tons of ideas and keywords to explore. There's a wide range of content out there, so utilize these methods to find videos that resonate with a large audience. Let's click on one of these search results. Say, this one here. Now scroll down a bit, and here we are. You could search for something like funny dances, or let's explore another niche like dark comedy. There's a whole array of options to explore. You get the idea, right? Once you've taken a screenshot of the video, the next move is heading to a free website called canva.com. By the way, you can do this from anywhere globally. Your location doesn't matter. All you need is an internet connection and either a computer or smartphone. If you don't have an account, it's a breeze to set one up. Just click sign up and use your Google, Facebook, or email account. After that, hit create a design, then choose custom size. Enter 1080 by 1920 and hit create new design. This sets you up to proceed with the next steps in this process. The first step is heading to uploads to put up your screenshot image. Just click here and select the image from your device. It'll start uploading. Once it's up, you can easily move it around on our page by dragging it. You can even adjust its size, making it smaller or larger as you wish. For now, I'll keep it as is for the next step. Next, click on Elements right here. Now grab this shape and place it on our image. You can change its color here if you'd like, but I'll stick with this color for now. I'll resize it a bit because we're going to add text onto this shape. This sets us up for the following steps in this process. Let's start by clicking on this text icon here. Then, select the Add a Heading option and drag the text to this rectangle at the top. Type in, "Oh my God, viral video." If you'd like to change the font, click here and choose a different one. I'll go with Anton. Now we're almost finished with this image. There's just one step remaining. Head back to Elements and search for a play button. Drag one of these play buttons onto our image. You can go for this blue one, it's what I've used too. Ensure it's positioned in the middle. Next, we'll download the image. Click on Share, then hit Download here. Once more, click Download, and the image will start downloading. In the next step, I'll guide you on how we can use this image along with the TikTok video to easily and effortlessly make money online. As shown here, these are real payment proofs from people earning money daily with this method. One person made $5 today, another made $6, and someone else earned $10, and the successes keep coming. Now let's move on to the next website, painters.com. This platform will be our gateway to making money online using TikTok videos and our image. Pinterest attracts millions of visitors every day, especially from the United States. To begin, the first step is setting up your account. Once that's done, head to Create and select Create Pin right here. This sets us up for the next steps in this process, enabling us to leverage Pinterest for generating income with our content. To upload the image you created, simply double-click here and select it from your device. Then type the title of your TikTok video in this space. When people on Pinterest see your image and click the link, they'll watch your video. However, if you directly link the TikTok video here, it'll get lots of views from Pinterest due to its high traffic. But you won't earn money doing that. I'll show you how to add your own link that earns you money whenever someone clicks it. So it's important not to directly link the video here. Instead, I'll guide you on adding a link that generates income whenever someone clicks on it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's all part of how this method works. To generate the link that earns us money for this spot, visit a site named ShrinkMe.io. Start by hitting register to create your account. Fill in your details here, then confirm that you're not a robot and tick the other box before hitting register. Afterward, verify your email and log in. By the way, this is what your dashboard will resemble. What's great is that the minimum withdrawal from this website is merely $5. They offer various payment methods like Bitcoin, PayPal, and more. So, once you've earned, you can cash out your earnings easily using these methods. Let's head back to the homepage. Click on New Shortened Link and paste the TikTok video's link in this space. That's the link I'll be using. After pasting, click Shorten. Now, just copy this new link and paste it onto Pinterest. But before publishing an image, you need to create a board. Click here, then select Create a Board. Give it any name you like and hit Create. Finally, click Publish and it'll go live on Pinterest. Sometimes, though, Pinterest might not accept links from ShrinkMe. If that happens, you can use another website called LinkTree as a go-between. LinkTree acts as a middleman, changing your ShrinkMe link to one that Pinterest accepts, but it still directs to ShrinkMe. It's a workaround to ensure your link gets accepted and leads to your intended destination. This way, you can navigate around any restrictions Pinterest might have. And there you have it. Now, every time someone clicks on your ShrinkMe link, you'll be earning money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time.